po si Ernel Pineda of Journey. Back in 2005 katrabaho ako sa Hong Kong. I was diagnosed with a debilitating ailment it's called acid reflux. It went on for 6 months and then I was forced to resign kasi talagang nawawala na yung boses ko, and so umuwi ako dito sa Pilipinas. I was very, very sad kasi nawalan ako ng trabaho because I lost my voice and because of that acid reflux. And then, pagbalik ko rito, pag-uwi ko, na-meet namin ng asawa ko, yung isang guy, and he introduced us to this machine. Ito nga. Nung una, I was very, very hesitant to get one kasi I'm on this medication nung iba yung para ma-stop yung acid ko, pero sinubukan ko pa rin. After a week ng pagsubok ko, nagsimulang magbago yung pakiramdam ko, nabawasan yung acid ko, and then unti-unti nakaka-recover yung lalamunan ko. Doon ako nag-start na i-trust yung machine. So, ginamit ko na siya regularly, and ginagamit namin sila ngayon sa meat. Ito, tinatanggal niya yung impurities sa toxins na nakakapit dun sa meat. I really trust itong ozonizer. And I really trust the company, the Life Formula Synergy Corporation. And ngayon nga meron silang isang napakalaking machine na magpo-provide na for the whole household ng complete alkaline water for every member of the family. It's not too late to save your life and stay young and healthy. So put ozone in your water and join us.
Sariwang hangin sa loob mismo ng kwarto nyo kaya nang ma-achieve. Pero paano kung sa itsura nyo lumalabas ng masamang epekto ng hangin? May remedyo kaya tayo dyan?
Ang kalat, alikabok at basura ay nakakadagdag sa maduming hangin. Kung di na sapat ang pagbukas ng mga bintana, marami na ngayong paraan para magkaroon ng fresh air sa loob ng bahay.
Meron na daw isang plug-and-breathe gadget, so tingnan natin kung effective ito.
Ang ozonizer ay isa sa mga makabagong air filters ngayon. Bukod sa nakakatanggal ng mga alikabok, germs at bacteria sa hangin, nakakatulong daw ito sa ating immune system at blood circulation.
Bukod sa paglilinis ng air, ano pang mga ibang functions nitong ozonizer?
Bukod sa air, ginagamit dito sa water, bathing and beauty, as an air, sa air, pinifilter, hindi lang pinifilter kung kinikil niya bacteria. Ang main function ng ozonizer, lahat ng mga hangin na madudumi na punong-puno ng bacteria, kinakatch niya. Pag lumabas siya, pinapatay niya lahat ng klase ng bacteria, kahit ang pinakamaliit na bacteria.
Kung ganito kapresko ang hangin sa loob ng kwarto mo, baka hindi mo nagustuhin lumabas.
Ozone is created by God to protect the earth. It serves as the umbrella of the earth, and it protects us against UV and radiations. So in the ground level, we also have ozone through lightning and thunderstorm, which kills harmful bacteria, chemicals, and parasites.
Chemically, ozone is an unstable gas consisting of a pure oxygen molecule and a single oxygen atom attached. In standard temperature and pressure, ozone disintegrates into pure oxygen molecule and into a single oxygen atom. The single oxygen atom would attach to the offending pollutants like pathogens, fumes. Once it attaches to the pathogens, it will kill the pathogen like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and all. This process of attaching of this single molecule into the offending pollutant is known as oxidation process.
The beauty of this ozone, it is already in our product. We call it the ozonizer 2C. The ozonizer has thousands of volts, like the lightning produces. For air, it sanitizes the airborne bacteria that we have in our environment. It is also used for water. When a water has enough minerals, and when we ozonize the water, the alkaline content of the water will goes up. And it will be very good for us to drink the alkaline oxygenated water because it cleanses the body and it flushes out the toxins. Also, it will rejuvenate our organs and systems.
So basically, the device exerts its healing action through oxidation process. Once this oxidation process is done, the only byproduct left is pure oxygen molecule. So, in other words, it also increases the ratio of oxygen in the air we breathe. And in water, the dissolved oxygen, pure oxygen, be retained in the water, giving you an oxygenated water. So once you drink that water, it would increase the oxygen content of your body. Once the oxygen content of your body is increased, it will enhance your metabolic, systematic, and circulation processes in the body.
Ozonizer also is very good for food. When we have those meat, it is bombarded with the chemicals also, growth hormones. And then when we ozonize it for 15 to 30 minutes, the growth hormones and the chemicals will go up. And we can now eat a protein and complete vitamins that the food has without compromising the chemicals and the bacteria that meat has. We also use this for fruits and vegetables to take out all the chemicals that being put during the time that the plant is being grown.
Ozone is safe and effective as long as its concentration is conforming to the existing regulatory requirements. Like for example, in international standard, the Occupational Safety and Health Agency requires that ozone output should not be more than 0.08 parts per million, while in U.S. Food and Drug Administration encourages that the ozone output should not be more than 0.05 parts per million. Our device generates residual ozone concentration of only 0.05 ppm, which is less than the existing regulatory requirement.